About to head up the highway to do some test drives for the stock air intake versus the LMI. Go, baby! Yeah, we're on the freeway. So this is the stock air intake. The stock cold air intake sounds good, but I saw a lot of videos on YouTube for the leg maker intake, the cold air intake, which sounds amazing. So we're doing these test drives, and after I'm installing after I'm done to install with the leg maker intake, and we will take the car on a test drive too and see how it sounds. Is it different? Because I've seen it on YouTube videos, but I haven't experienced it in person. So we'll see. Oh, it's raining. It started raining. It started raining. Let's take the car on a test drive for the leg maker intake after the install. I can hear that supercharger one is 10 times louder than the stock one I had. When you open the door, like, I don't know about the camera, but I can hear the supercharger louder. Shit, that was loud. Crazy loud. The supercharger noise was crazy loud. Oh shit. My radar detector is going off. Gotta be careful with them cops. That shit is loud as